Good day, innovators. I hope you are keeping safe. My name is Nandini, and I am your weekly positive tech news correspondent. Diseases have been plaguing mankind from ages, but healthcare has acted like our personal bodyguard. Today's episode is a tribute on how technology has influenced healthcare and taken our protection up a notch. Can you imagine going through most of your life not knowing how colorful the world or how stunning every invention is? That is what 36 million people in our world go through every day. 36 million blind people comprising 0.49% of our world's population. Life for them has been made a little bit easier by a 13-year-old California resident. Shubham Banerjee's device, Brago, is a printer that costs only $200 USD and was made using electrical parts available locally. It is based on the Intel Edison chip and can be connected to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to print braille documents on the go. You might have gotten one of these if you had an accident or a bad scrape, but you definitely do not like them. We are talking about stitches, but these are not your regular stitches. What are they then? Deja Taylor, a 17-year-old from Iowa, has created natural color-changing stitches with beads and cotton polyester threads. These stitches turn from a light shade of purple to a darker one when the wound gets infected, exhibiting the bead's color-changing ability at the pH of 9. Deja wants to make these color-changing stitches available to people in developing countries, mostly women who cannot afford technologies like smartphones. Wouldn't it be great if neurological disorders like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and ADHD could be detected only by your eye movements? It could help early detection and treatment to make your life a lot easier. Alay Shah is a 17-year-old from Texas who has created his very own eye tracking equipment that takes into account your eye movements to test if you have a neurological disorder. Early detection can help in better chances of survival, less complications, and increased quality of life and less money on treatments. Moreover, the non-invasive nature of the instrument allows no extra discomfort from the patient that intrusive methods like needles could. Innovation can be done with the smallest of sport. Avishkaar is happy to help with the robotics kits, coding equipment, and the support to help young innovators like you and me achieve their dreams. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have amazing stories about the positive effects of technology, then head over to the Let's Avishkaar Facebook group and tell us there. I'll see you again next Sunday.